Hey, it's Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. Here it is, Colon Cancer Awareness Month. And a lot of people want to know who gets screened for colon cancer and how often. And do I really need to do that? That seems like bogus. I don't know. You doctors. I trust you doctors. So let's get the skinny on that, shall we? Colon cancer is one of the leading causes of deaths in this country. And what's so tragic about that is that it's totally preventable. We know what causes colon cancer. Those are little things in your colon called colon polyps, and 30 to 35% of the population will develop these colon polyps. All we have to do is find them when they are still polyps before they've become cancer. And no, you cannot nutrition your way out of this process. There's nothing you can do to prevent a colon cancer except having a colon cancer and removing a polyp. That's it. I don't care how healthy you are. I don't care how athletic you are. It does not matter. It is so tragic when you find someone who's otherwise perfectly healthy. They've not had a colonoscopy their entire lives. They're now 55 and they come in with advanced metastatic cancer that could have been prevented had they only come in for a colonoscopy. And they thought, I'm too healthy for this. This shouldn't affect me. And it does affect you. And so the first thing that you need to know is no matter who you are, what your genetics are, doesn't matter what your race is, it doesn't matter what your gender is. If you are over the age of 45, you are due for a colonoscopy, and you should have a colon cancer screening test on regular intervals to prevent colon cancer. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to prevent it. We're not here to torture you, although it seems like it, but we're not. And we're not here to let you die of colon cancer. Okay? We'll talk more about that the rest of this month.